SAT math people. Today we're going to work on ratios. Okay, let's do some math. The ratio of A to B is A:8, and the ratio of B to C is 12:C. If the ratio of A to C is 2:1, what is the ratio of A to C? So that colon in math means 2. Okay, so that's how we read it. So the fact is, if A is to B and B is to C, then A is to C. Those are the ratios, but the B's have to be the same. So if we look at A is to 8 and 12 is to C, you can see that 8 is not the same as 12. So we're going to fix that by noticing that the least common multiple between 8 and 12 is 24. So we're going to make them the same by multiplying A is to 8 by 3 and 12 is to C by 2 so that we get 24 in the middle for the B's. Okay, so we have 3A is to 24, 3 times A and 3 times 8, and 2 times 12 is 24, and 2 times C is 2C. So now they're the same. So we have 3A is to 2C. We're looking at the outer. So since they're the same in the middle, that means that A is to C, or 3A is to 2C. And we see at the top, A is to C is 2:1. Okay, so notation, if you say x is to y with the colon, that is exactly the same as x over y, or x divided by y, or just the fraction x over y. So we're going to change that into a fraction and make that 3a over 2c is equal to 2 over 1. The 2 over 1 was given. Okay, so now we're going to solve for a over c. And to do that, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal of 3/2, which is 2/3. Multiply both sides by 2/3. And we get the 2's cancel, the 3's cancel on the left-hand side. We get A over C is equal to 2 times 2 is 4, and 1 times 3 is 3. So A over C equals 4 over 3. Now we're going to use that notation and go back and say that A is to C is the same as 4 is to 3, and C is the answer.